This video looks at the workflows involved in importing a TAS-derived model into the SciMap software as part of a workflow. The process implies that the model has actually been constructed in TAS. So you'll have a situation where you have a 2D architectural model. You need to do a level 5 analysis, which means you've got to create the model, which we've done here in TAS. So the first thing we would need to do is write the GBXML geometry and the DXF files in the TAS T3D modeler. You can see from the top right hand corner here we have the view filter where we currently have all floors displayed. We then select File, Export to GBXML and write the GBXML to our preferred location. The next stage via the filter is to filter out your various floors and write the DXF file for each floor. Note you have to be in 3D view mode for this. All you then do is go to the view menu, export, and you export to a DXF. And you would repeat the process for each and every separate floor on the building. You would then move into the TAS building simulator where you perform all the entries in order to perform the main calculation. And then of course you would have the results available to you in the TAS TSD simulation results folder. On entry into MEPworx, we start a brand new project and adopt the appropriate workflow. This is where we use the EDSL TAS model and results. Again, because the model has been derived in TAS, we're not matching it with floor plans from an architectural package. You then select the project file of interest. You then select the TAS TBD file. You then select and create your project reference. This then reads in the tab TAS job data and takes us on to the next tab. We then retrieve the floor plans that we wrote from the TAS model, taking each one in separately. This then launches the building program. Which then imports the GBXML automatically. We then move into the energy program. And this loads up our results from the TAS simulation tool, which we then import. From this position now we can go on and design our HVAC building services.